In this lecture, we will make a minion zombie in just one click by using the method of image tracing. So let's start. Just press Ctrl plus N for a new document. Place the image you will find in the description, minionzombie.png. Resize it. Okay, so now just now perfect. Just select this image, go to the window tab and find image tracing. Here, select the image. Okay, now we have to do some settings. Just make it to the color and just forward. Now click on trace. Sliding 3 2 1 0. Okay, now we are done. Our vector is ready. Just we have to find its path, so just go to expand. Okay, now we are done and we can use this vector. And now we can change the background and images and color of clothes also. If you suppose we have to make a sticker of this and we want to make our background transparent, so just select this, ungroup it, Control plus Shift plus G on its ungroup. Just select this, delete, 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 or you can just press Shift and select, 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 and press delete. Delete this also. Oh wait, delete, delete, delete. Okay, hashtag done. Select all, Control plus G for grouping, and our sticker is ready. Ready, we can delete this also, and our sticker is ready. We can use this. You can change the color of its clothes also, but you have to do it manually and it made fun. You can change the color of the background, just place it here. Just take a rectangle to make a rectangle, arrange and send to back, and just fill the color you want: white, black, red, yellow. You can use gradient. Gradient does not look so cool, but okay, this one is nice. You can save this in PNG or AI you want. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this course, and if you learned anything from this course, please leave a rating. Thank you.